So many of you have asked me, Pawan, like what exactly comes under the ambit of Article 44? See, Article 44 speaks about Uniform Civil Code. Now, what is this Uniform Civil Code? Uniform Civil Code means one unified law for all. For example, in our country as a whole, we have like Hindu marriage act. For Parsi, they have their own marriage laws. For Muslims, they have their own marriage laws. For divorce also, they have their own system. For example, this talaq system and all was there for Muslims. For our Hindus, they have different divorce laws. And even for Christians, in terms of inheritance of the property, adoption, we have different kind of laws based on every particular religion. Now, what is this UCC speaking about? Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code stating that now let's throw out all these laws. Let's have this one particular law that is called as Uniform Civil Code. In this code, we are going to follow the same laws for all communities. It could be for Hindus, it could be for Muslims, it could be for Christians, it could be for Parsis. Simple. For all these four, will follow only one particular law. From now on, they won't be following any new laws of Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act, that act, Muslims inheritance this one, or Christian this one. No, they'll be all following one uniform law. It's still on process; it has not yet been implemented, but this is what emphasized under Article 44. Now there are many pros and cons for it. That it's not our focus now, but I'll just show you. Want to highlight this important feature? Okay, the UCC is one that would provide for one law for the entire country. See, I'm highlighting over here. One law for what? One law for that entire country, applicable to all religions, communities in their personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, etc. Article 44 of the Constitution lays down that the state shall endeavor to secure a UCC for the citizens throughout the territory of India. Article 44 is one on the DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy. The DPSP has defined Article 37 and are not justifiable, not enforceable by any court, but the principles laid down there are fundamental to the governments. Remember, fundamental rights are not what enforceable under court of law. But I said you there are two characteristics for it. First characteristic is that it is the main structure for establishing the governance in our country. We already learned this under Article 37, but yeah, this is the understanding about UCC, Uniform Civil Code. Hope you liked about today's video, and you could see on what is this Uniform Civil Code mentioned under Article 44. That was my main objective teaching. So do watch my other videos about constitutional law. If you have any doubts, I'm just attaching the link below over here. You can just find it out, and do let me know your views about the Uniform Civil Code. Is it good, bad, or any other views?